UMIDIGI Power 4 grams Phablet equipped with a 5150 mAh battery, one of the largest capacities found in any smartphone, and with curved edges as well as ultra-thin unibody design. The UMIDIGI Power features ultra-long endurance, with power optimization and is easy to use in one hand. Also, the 18W fast charging replenishes the massive power swiftly. Do more and charge less. UMIDIGI Power supports functional NFC where Google Pay and on-vehicle payment can be used. The improved 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera setup with the flagship grade f/1.8 big aperture together with the new software algorithm work together to produce astonishing photos, allowing you to cherish your best memories in the quality they deserve. The front camera of the UMIDIGI Power has a 16 megapixel high-resolution sensor for superior photo quality, and with f/2.0 aperture and advanced algorithm, your every selfie is clear, beautiful and natural. UMIDIGI Power 4 grams smartphone, the flagship 6.3-inch FHD plus Waterdrop display with 2340 x 1080 resolution in cell and LTPS technology, supporting a full screen of distinct clarity and vivid color. The seamless design reaches remarkable 92.7% screen-to-body ratio, giving you a wide view to explore the world. The 12nm octa-core Helio P35 AI processor ensures a smooth operating experience with low power consumption and less heat emission. It acts like the powerful yet thrifty engine of your UMIDIGI Power, helping your phone deal with tasks smartly and swiftly.